There it is. Come on. We have moved over there. The FedEx truck is gone. BB, come here. Beep, beep, doo, 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 doo. Here. Go. Oh. Yeah. Welcome everyone. Welcome to the first episode of we're going to be talking about personal electric vehicles. That's as far as I thought. What do I call the channel?
Massey's Tiny Motors.
Welcome everyone to Massey's Tiny Motors. We're going to be starting a channel here. I'm very excited because today I'm going to get a new wheel and it's going to be tiny, very tiny. Let me show you. This is the Mten3. It is quite the little, it's a very small, it is the pocket rocket, okay? It is the pocket rocket. It's got an 800 watt motor. I got the 420 watt hour battery, and it's a 67 volt machine. So it should be able to do like 20 miles an hour or something like that. Let's talk about things that I ride currently. I need to move all the LaCroix. Yeah. Here is a One Wheel XR. I think still my favorite board. This particular machine has about almost 3,000 miles on it, which is very impressive because we ride here in Portland winters, and it's built like a tank. It's a lot of fun. So if you want to see like a 3,000 mile review on that, let me know. Now this is this is the Kingsong KS16X. It is a monster of a wheel. It's got a 2,200 watt motor. So the Mten3 that we're picking up today has an 800 watt. That one wheel has 750. This is 2,200, and it peaks all the way up to 4,500 watts. So it'll, it goes. It's pretty, it's got lights, it's got a speaker system, but the problem is it's super heavy. It's like 52.5 pounds. It's got 1,550 watt hours of capacity. So, I have done easily 50-mile rides on this, and you're tired by the end of it. It's, you could just keep going on it. But I'm excited today because the Mten3 is going to be a very easy wheel for people to ride. If I decide to have other people ride, I guess. So the Mten3, we're waiting on the FedEx person, and yeah, welcome to the channel. Do something fun while we're all quarantined. So let's wait for the FedEx truck.
They're very sad.
I heard a truck. Hello? The FedEx truck has been spotted. Here it comes.
Oh, sweet. All right.
Thank you. Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
what's the
Do you need
last name?
signature? Massey?
Okay, yeah, we're doing signatures ourselves right now.
Cool. Right on. Thank you.
Yeah, have a good one.
Yes. Oh. Okay, here it is. Yes, yes, yes. All right, so this comes straight from E-Wheels. Jason at E-Wheels. Thank you very much. This is a Gotway. It is the cheapest possible, smallest possible. Okay, here it is. The Mten3. Wow. 3 amps. 2 amps. 2 amp charger. That's not bad. Waste. Oh, look at this. E-Wheels provides wrist guards as like a complimentary continental breakfast type of situation. Oh yeah. Here it is. The little nugget. The little pocket rocket. Oh, it's so cute! Bink. It's these are nice pedals. I think E-Wheels puts these on because the normal pedals are like rubber and crap. All right, let's go for the removal here. Oh dear. Ooh, smells like chemicals and tires and lithium and here we go. Ooh. Yes. All right, here it is. The 420 watt hour Mten3, which I'm very, very excited about. Has a 3-inch tire. Oh my God. Look at the sidewalls are hilarious. That's an inch of sidewall, so you gotta pump this sucker up for sure. 3-inch tire. Look at that 800 watt motor in there, and look, the pedal hangers are just hanging out there. Wow, it's really open inside there. There's not much. Let's turn it on. We got our charging port here, and hopefully we have a USB as well. Let's see if the light turns on. Oh, look at the little light. Well, I'll have to get this hooked up to Darkness Bot, see if there's any updates for it, but very, very excited. Let's take it outside. Okay, so here we go. It's so small. God, how do you... Is it on? It's on. Okay, and we'll walk it down the stairs here. Oh, okay. So, trying to get on the Mten3, according to all the other YouTubers, is... Oh, geez, yeah, that's different. Okay. Be sure to wear full safety gear, and be sure to always buckle your helmet. Okay. Well, let's see if I can get on this thing. Oh, okay. Okay. It feels sprightly though. Oh man. Oh, the torque. The torque is insane. This thing is just hilarious. This is absolutely hilarious. Well, I guess it's time to see if you can do a little off-roading. Here we go. Oh man. Oh yeah, I can do it. I can do it, no problem. I got a bit of a flat tire, and I don't have a pump just yet to pump it up. But just wanted to show you the capabilities of this tiny wheel after just a couple of minutes on it. Very responsive, like hyper responsive. Woo. Easiest wheel to go backwards on. Easiest wheel to go like back and forth on. Like that's ridiculous. It's hilarious. Perfect in every way. Buy one. It's like, even if you're gonna make a mistake, it's so hyper responsive. Right as I'm talking, you like lose your balance, and it's so quick, it like catches you. Woo. It's a lot of fun. Let's do a speed run. Yeah. It's beeping at me. I think the tire is a little too low. I need to pump it up to get full speed. So, for anyone wondering about buying a Mten3, it has a unique quirk about it. This guy has a valve that is nearly impossible to get to, so you need to buy at my local bike shop. I picked up one of these. This is a adapter of sorts for the Schrader valve, and it's the only thing that will fit on here because I got it and the tire was a little bit low. So this just screws on, and hopefully that it is compatible with my incredibly crappy foot pump. So let's go in here. Ooh. Oh. Okay, sorta. We just gotta work against time. Woo! But for anyone wondering if they're gonna buy one, you need one of these. I don't know what it is. Go to a bike shop. Cool. Well, I plan on doing more videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.